Here I have HUAWEI Nova 3 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down in order to find and select the apps. So here I have apps and notifications. Then choose apps. Now let's choose more, and here you can choose reset app preferences. So these will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notification, default apps for actions, background data restriction for apps, any permission restrictions. But what's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's choose reset. So that's it, you just reset app preferences. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.